Good news for Subway sandwich lovers. What makes Subway sandwiches special is their zesty sauces. Now, you can bring that same delicious flavor to your home. Your favorite Subway sauces are now available at Walmart. These sauces are perfect for adding a burst of flavor to your homemade sandwiches, salads, and more. Or if you ordered Subway at home and need extra sauce on your sandwich. With tangy sweet onion teriyaki, classic Southwest chipotle, creamy Italian, and roasted garlic aioli, your kitchen can now be stocked with the same sauces that make Subway sandwiches so irresistible. So next time you're craving that signature Subway taste, head to Walmart and grab your favorite sauces. Enjoy Subway at home anytime you want. It's still missing something? Can you guess? It's the classic sweet onion sauce that we all miss. If you want that recipe, you can see the video description for the link. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.